Basically, what we decided is a new product line today called Alvium, but also a transformation of the entire Allied Vision. For me, the major change is we changed Allied Vision from a manufacturing-based company into a company with industrialized processes. This was a unique chance for us to prepare Allied Vision for the future markets. So today, what we see here is the visible part of the change. This is the new product line. We have a fully automated product line installed here in Stadtroda, which allows us to manufacture 1,200 cameras each day in 3 shifts at competitive costs. The technology we are using is only used in other industries like mobile phone manufacturing or in automotive. So this is also unique in the machine vision industry, what we have installed here. The non-visible part is as important as the visible part, the production line. And I would like to share some of these non-visible parts with you. One is we decided to develop an own chip, the Alvium chip. None of our competitors has this in his cameras. We changed our total order fulfillment process. Today, the target is to manufacture in the sequence you get the orders from our customers, and the target for us is to deliver within 4 days to our customers. Our internal processes are shaped to give quick and reliable answers to our customers. Customers will get within minutes information when they get delivery of the ordered products, and this will be at highest reliability. Our production machinery is connected through a network, also with our materials and order planning system, and allows us full traceability of products and of the entire processes.
The simultaneous engineering in our product realization process squeezed out a lot of good things and good ideas of the Allied Vision team, I find. So that made it happen that we produced 2 things really from scratch: the new product family and the new production system. What I like is that the truth is always simple, and so is our Alvium camera. A lot of things have been simplified. The process is simple for our customers. Our production system is highly flexible and available. What you can see here is a really reproducible and repeatable automated production process. What is also new and so simple is the single board design. We have no more PCBA stacks. The new camera has no screws, and that makes the product really simple.
So Alvium is the first production line of Allied Vision that's fully assembled on an automated production line and also within the clean room environment. The clean room environment offers us a wide range of advantages because we are avoiding contamination of optical sensitive devices. The most fascinating thing for me that's really special also for the whole industry is that we are using the advantages of the digitalization of the assembly processes. In other words, all the data we are capturing here have a direct link to the previous assembly runs, so that we have an ongoing improvement, and a kappa, if you want so, is already implemented into the nature of these processes, and this is really cool. We set up the whole process flow in a way that we have a setup time of 0 seconds. In other words, even if we change from one mount to the other or from one sensor to the other, we don't have any planned downtime because we don't have to change the setup of the equipment. This allows us to produce real mass production for customers that are requiring 100,000 of cameras per year, down to a customer that's requiring only 1 camera.
It's not only a single invention of a new product family, but at the same time it's the invention of a new production process.
For me, these are enough reasons to be happy today and push the button to start our production line here in Stadtroda to deliver Alvium to our waiting customers.